sensibility, and practicality define the 2012 Dodge Challenger. With fewer than 15,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value as a pre-owned model. Dodge made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. A 3.6-liter V6 engine pairs with a sophisticated 5-speed automatic transmission, and for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Dodge infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as delay-off headlights, a trip computer, remote keyless entry, and one-touch window functionality. Dodge also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.